Reporting departure. Train orders are released by completing departure or arrival reports. The next report to be completed is shown on the order display. Only report when the train is in an appropriate location. To report departure, press F3. A confirmation window will be provided. To confirm departure, press the tick, or press the cross to cancel the departure. An hourglass is displayed while departure is processed. The order display is updated for the next departure. The next report is shown in orange if it's the last report for the order. This completes the Reporting Departure Electronic Authorities module.